Avoiding common mistakes with all. Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a fundamental yet important part of English grammar, the word all. We'll look at its various uses and, most importantly, discuss the common mistakes people often make when using it, and how you can avoid them. The word all is a quantifier that we use to refer to the whole quantity or extent of a particular group or thing. We often use all with plural and uncountable nouns, as well as with pronouns. For instance, all people, all the time, all of it. Mistake 1. All, with singular nouns. A common mistake is using all with singular countable nouns. Incorrect. I have all book. Correct. I have all the books. Remember, all is used with plural nouns or uncountable nouns. Mistake 2. All, position in sentence. Another frequent error occurs with the placement of all in sentences. Many learners use all at the end of sentences, but it is often incorrect. Incorrect. I like them all. Correct. I like all of them. However, in some cases, you can use all at the end. For example, in informal conversation. Who ate the cookies? I did. I ate them all. Mistake 3. Confusion between all and every. Sometimes, learners confuse all with every. They may say all day when they mean every day. All day means the entire day without a break, while every day means each day regularly. Let's put what we've learned into practice with some exercises. Exercise 1. Correct the sentence. She enjoys all sport. Exercise 2. Correct the sentence. I studied all night for all week. Exercise 3. Correct the sentence. I like them all. Thank you for watching. Keep in mind these common mistakes and make sure to use all correctly in your daily conversations and writings. Practice makes perfect, so try using all as much as you can. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.